Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super important topic: how to withdraw your BNB from Uphold to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know security is key, and moving your assets to a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X is a smart move to protect your funds from online threats. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, step-by-step guide to do this safely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano X is set up and updated. Open the Ledger Live app on your computer and connect your device via USB. You'll want to ensure it's running the latest firmware, especially for 2025, as there might be new security updates. Once that's done, go to the BNB app on your Ledger and open it to generate or verify your wallet address. Remember, double-check this address because typos can lead to permanent loss of your coins. Next, log into your Uphold account on their website or app. Navigate to your BNB holdings and select the Withdraw option. You'll be prompted to enter the wallet address from your Ledger Nano X. Paste it carefully, and don't forget to specify the amount you want to withdraw. Uphold might ask for additional verification, like two-factor authentication, so have that ready to go. Before you confirm, take a moment to review any withdrawal fees. In 2025, network fees for BNB on the Binance Smart Chain could vary, so aim to withdraw a larger amount if possible to make it worthwhile. Once everything looks good, hit confirm, and the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. This might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. While you wait, keep an eye on your Ledger device for the confirmation prompt. It'll ask you to verify the transaction details. Always approve it manually to ensure it's legit. And there you have it. Your BNB should now be safely in your Ledger Nano X wallet. A quick tip: if you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. Crypto can be risky, so stay vigilant. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next one.